Welcome back to Kitty Unicorns. It's Des here and Madeline. I'm holding the camera. Madeline's gonna get down from here.
Can you see how I get down? This is not so fun to watch, but
She has shoes on, have flip-flops on.
I'm actually falling because I'm gonna just scrape.
Madeline, why don't you just do what you did before? You were sitting up there and then you jumped. Oh my god. They didn't see it, but do you want to try that again or no?
No, it hurt me.
So today we are going to give you a tour of our woods.
Walking
here. Let's go. So guys, to our left, just a whole bunch of plants and everything. We don't go that way because there's another woods over there. It probably leads somewhat over there. I got a bird stuck in my hair. Okay. Anyway. Ahead of that, there's just on this side, on our left, it's just a whole bunch of whatever this is. So yeah.
That was a leaf that fell.
And this is a tree, a wonderful tree. My favorite tree is this tree. Because this tree, I climbed this tree. Can you record me? Okay.
Let's see if I can climb this tree. She's flip-flops on, guys. Flip-flops. Look at my shoes.
Hey, look, I'm doing it.
Go right there.
I actually did it, guys. So this is me up here, and now I gotta get down. I'm not going the way Madeline did it
because I held on this and dropped all the way down there.
That is just way too ding.
She's gonna get down where she's not up. So you can see she's breaking up. Almost dying. That's her getting down. Ah, careful! I don't want to see your butt.
Oh my god. Okay. So now, guys, if you're coming here, there's just a big open gap we like to play in. Back there, we don't go back there because, see, there's more cars back there. This way, we never went that way. But we'll go a little bit that way. I mean, I don't want to go way too far into the woods. Because we're camping, guys, and I don't want to, like, lose our parents and lose their way out. So, guys, you guys can see that it looks like it keeps going on and on and on and on. But, yeah. Yeah, so let's go back. Oh my god. It's been a minute, and we're still trying to get back here. It's been like a minute. So guys, you want to go see our other woods? Well, let's go. Hey guys, woods. We don't want to go in there, guys, because it's really scary in there. Is it scary? Yeah. Bye.